Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Ranger XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has that lovely FX4 off-road package, and advanced towing, and the sport appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we do got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board with blind spot detection, got mud flaps on the front with that lovely XLT logo. We do get a block heater, license plate bracket, recovery hooks, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably with this gray and black cloth interior, floor mats, carpeted interior, plenty of door space in the back. We do get under seat storage as well, the cup holders as well, with some arm space. Got some storage right here for like a phone, USB, USB-C, and a 120 volt outlet. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do get manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 9.2 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-up steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do get a digital speedometer, my view, trip and fuel, off-road, towing, audio, phone, navigation, and vehicle maintenance. To my right, we have our gear select with your speeds. You got a parking brake, traction, auto hold, trail control, drive modes, 4-wheel drive, tow and haul, and for you do get normal, eco, oh my god, sport, tow and haul, slippery. Apparently it wants to do its own thing, but you do get all those. Got your cup holders, you got a wireless charging pad with my extra phone, USB, USB-C, all your climate controls with hazards volume right there, your center console with that 12 volt down there, infotainment system just right here, and we do get a manual rear window opener, which is pretty nice. Storage in the glove compartment and storage above. And here we do get our climate controls at the bottom. You got your radio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, phone, navigation, media, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, owner's manual with your sketch, zone lighting, towing. All your vehicle settings are just conveniently right here as well. And your backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE66871, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.